Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to stop background apps on a Windows 10 PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So with Windows 10, if you've got background apps running, that can actually affect the performance of your computer or laptop. So it could cause things like lag. You'll find a lot of programs and things would be slower. But to get rid of any background apps you don't want running, it's actually really simple to do. So what you're going to want to do is actually come down to the search box, which is down here. And then you want to type settings to open up the settings. You just want to go ahead and click the app at the top, the settings app. So once this is loaded through, you should get a screen that looks similar to this. And what you're going to want to do is look for the privacy option. So that's this one down here, and you just want to go ahead and give that a click. And then from here, you need to go to the menu on the left-hand side. And what you want to do is just scroll down the menu. And eventually you're going to get to an option here which says background apps. And if you go and give that a click, you can actually see for myself there's actually a ton of apps that are running in the background, and a lot of these necessarily you wouldn't need switched on. So for example, things like Windows Security you don't necessarily need if you've got like an antivirus software running. Spotify, I don't really need that running in the background unless I'm using it. Things like Netflix, you can see my MP4 to MP3 converter. Well, I only need to use that if I'm actually converting an MP4 file. There's things like Microsoft Store, you've got your camera, this calculator. This is all stuff that's running in the background, and all of these apps are actually contributing to like a lag on your PC. So to turn any of these off, any ones which aren't really necessary, things like the calculator for example, what you need to do is come to the toggle button next to each app and then just give it a click to turn it off, like so. You should notice that when you're starting to turn these off, it can also help conserve power as well. So if you're using a laptop and a battery, it's going to make your battery last longer. And as I say, it's going to also notifications as well. For example, Spotify, if I turn that off, it's going to stop notifications coming through as well. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful. And if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.